Let's put this contact lens together. So if you have been looking for how to put your contact lens, I'm going to be showing you in this video. So I just bought this contact lens and I'll be showing you what's inside the box of the contact lens when you buy contact lens. Yeah, those are the things inside the box when you buy the contact lens. There are people that buy single, but as a beginner, this is what you are meant to buy because it contains everything that you'll be using. This is a eye drop for your eyes when you put the contact lens. And this is the water for the contact lens. Yes, this is for the contact lens. Then this is where the contact lens is. So I don't know why I was doing that. Yes, sorry. I don't know why I was doing that, but I thought maybe that was easy. So this is, I use this speaker to pick the contact lens, put it in my hand to make it easier for me before I start putting it. Yeah, so when you put it, you use your eye as the movement to trace it. And you guys, it was so pepperish, very, very pepperish. As at some point I felt like removing it. Oh my god. And because it was a new one, it was so pepperish. As you can see, my eye was already red. Yeah, and then I decided to put eye drop, yeah, to reduce the pepperish stuff. It was so pepperish, I'm telling you. As you can see, my eye was already red. So yeah, I used the eye drop to reduce it. Before I went in with the second one, I can't keep wasting time. Let both of them be reddish the same time. So I went in with the second one. That's how I put it. And make sure you are not, it has sides. You need to be very careful when putting it so that you not go and put the inner one in the outer one. So this is how I put it. You just lift your upper lid and then you use your eye and it enters. Yeah, this time around I didn't want to close my eye so that it won't pepper me that much like the other one. And this one wasn't really that pepperish like the first one. So yeah, that was it. I still applied eye drop to reduce it because it's something foreign that I introduced in my eye. It's going to show that something is in my eye. You get it? So yeah, this is how I did it. And guess what? The next thing is my nose started running. I was having tears. I was tearing up. My nose was running and all that. Yeah, as you can see, I didn't even know what I was going through at that point in time. I just knew that contact lens is going to stay there. That's when I now started using all these things to clean my face. Use the tissues, and before I now used before I now use this to clean my face very well. So this is how I actually put my contact lens, guys. As you can see. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment for me, like and share. I just dropped some videos on my channel. You can equally check it out too. Thank you for watching, guys. So this is the color of the contact lens. Blue, or will I call it light blue? That's the color of the contact lens. I have other contact lens, and you know that you have to equally take care of this contact lens. You will not just buy it and drop it. You need to take care of it. You get it, so that it will not spoil. Yeah, because one of my friends won't spoil because she wasn't taking care of it. And you can't just put something you're not taking care of in your eye just like that. Need to be very careful with it. So see you guys. Bye.